Hello and welcome to DPM 86. My name is Raj Thakkar. Uh, we are here again doing an OMAT sheet, a mix of grammar and vocabulary question. We're given these four words which contains a capitalized word and capitalized word followed by four choices. We need to identify the word from the options which is synonymous to the word given in the question. The first word I have here is pernicious, which means something dangerous, something which can cause harm. Delicious has no relationship to pernicious. Delicious is something tasty. Observant is someone who observes well. Harmful is related to pernicious. Is its synonym? This is my correct option. Persistent is consistent, who can do something regularly, right, on a consistent basis. Right, so this is also not my answer. My correct option is B. Portentous. What is portentous? An omen. Omen. What is an omen? If you are Bhavishyavani, we call in Hindi. Right. When you talk about something bad that is going to happen in the future, it's called portentous, which is similar to ominous. Right, this is my correct option. Portable is something mobile, which can be carried everywhere. Substantial is something important or something large. Pretentious is acting to be what it actually is not. It is like exaggerate. किसी चीज को बढ़ा चढ़ा के बताना. So my correct option is ominous. Laconic is lacking in words. Means something which is very concise, said in a very few words, which is similar to succinct. Tearful is like emotional, about to cry. Colorful we know, milky we know. None of it aligns but succinct. Phlegmatic is lack of emotion, lack of activity. Feverish is just its opposite, something like it has two meanings, something which either has fever or something with high activity, right? So this is it's just opposite. Lack. Phlegmatic means lack of expression, lack of activity, lack of emotion. This is not my answer. Slimy we know. Impassive means the same thing, lack of emotion. This is my correct option. Respiratory has no relation to the words. Impassive is my correct option. Okay. He walked. We need to read these sentences and we need to identify the pair which has all the grammatically correct sentences. He walked towards the door and entered it. Towards used correctly, that he walked in the direction of the door and entered it. Myself will handle the situation. Here myself is a reflexive pronoun. But we don't see a noun or a pronoun to which it is reflecting. So this is wrong. There has to be a noun or a pronoun preceding it, to which this myself would reflect. I wish I were rich enough to buy that house. So usually we use a was with I, but here if you see this is in subjunctive mood, which means that it is talking about some hypothetical situation. So whenever we are talking about a hypothetical situation, we use a plural verb with the subject. Even if it were he, she, whatever, we would have used verb. So this is correct. This is correct. A and C are correct. The apple tasted more sweeter. Sweeter here is already in comparative degree. Do we need a more here? No. So this is also wrong. He told her that he will meet her tomorrow. So this is in passive speech because there's a told here. So whenever something is in passive voice, we follow the past tense. Here it is in present tense. So this will would become would, and the correct sentence would read as he told her that he would meet her tomorrow. So this is also wrong. Only A and C is correct. I cannot see any option with A and C. So there's some option. So there's some mistake in the option. But the correct answer is A and C. So that was the video, guys. I'll see you in the next one.